Congratulations on purchasing an EasyShed, combining functional garden shed design with convenience and ease of assembly. Your new EasyShed is the only boxed shed on the market that comes with the innovative 5-step assembly sequence, which comprises simple, fully illustrated instructions that are extremely user-friendly. The EasyShed you are going to build today is a 3 metre by 1.5 metre double-door gable roof model. However, the techniques we will be showing will work for any shed in the EasyShed range. It all comes down to the 5 steps. Before we begin step 1, it is important to make sure your work area is prepared, your tools are ready, and your safety gloves handy. Having an assistant will save you a lot of time as well. The tools we will need for assembly are a power drill with a number 2 Phillips head screwdriver bit, a safety knife, measuring tape, carpenter's pencil, a pair of pliers and safety gloves. For the more adventurous, you may choose to pop rivet your shed instead of using the screws provided. In this case, you will need a 3.2mm drill bit, a rivet gun and some 3.2mm rivets. For the purpose of this video series, it is assumed that you will be anchoring your shed to a concrete slab that you have already laid. If not, contact your local tradesman and remember to adhere to all relevant local council regulations. Clear your work area and set up your workbench using 2 sawhorses or trestles and 2 long, sturdy pieces of timber. Open your shed carton with a safety knife, taking care not to damage any of the components. Lay out all the shed components and fixings piece by piece and check off with the list in the instructions. All components are identified by letters to make identification easier. Some similar looking components may be different sizes, so measure carefully to identify the correct component. One final safety warning: do not attempt to assemble your shed in windy conditions due to the risk of damage to the panels or personal injury. We're now ready to begin assembly.